If somebody can impose their will upon this court, that is also interference. Interference can be from within, can be from without, can be from intelligence agencies, can be from your colleagues, can be from your family members, can be from social media, can be from everybody else. We will demonstrate by conduct whether interference there is or is not. A judge's judgment and order shows, speaks, shouts how much interference there is or there isn't, how much independence there is or there isn't. So we don't take this matter seriously. Everyone may have a different approach to doing things. As we have ushered in, and I'm not responsible for the history of the Supreme Court, I'm only responsible for the day I became Chief Justice. I have gone ahead with an inclusive approach. First and foremost was the full court meeting, which had not been held for years. Is that not independence of the judiciary? Is that not undermining this institution from within? Do we have to look from outside? Then there was what we did not do. I'm grateful to the house next door, Parliament. They enacted the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023 because we had failed. They corrected us. That was attack was launched on that. So there can be no doubt, that there be no doubt in anyone's mind that we will safeguard the independence of the judiciary, come what may. But to hold those before you as responsible for the deeds of those who earlier may have sat in this court would not be fair unless we endorse them. We have also shown that when this court thinks that there have been wrong done in the past, we've rectified that. That has not really happened in the past. That is, things do not change overnight, they take time. And if we should work together to bring about this change. That's the important thing. Not just cast attacks from within, from outside. We come up with proposals, do this. Excellent, thank you. I'll certainly consider it, we may act on it. But don't try to pull us this way or pull us that way, because that is also undermining the independence of the judiciary. We had, on the very first date, convened and asked for, passed an order and had called upon each of the higher courts to give their proposals, and we had also called upon the Pakistan Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association. Now I believe there are a lot of persons who want to become parties. We'll certainly consider those, but anyone wants to make a positive contribution, they may do so.
सिर्फ एक ही इशू है, how to secure independence of judiciary and how to ensure that the executive and the organs of the executive do not dare interfere in any manner or intimidate directly or indirectly any judge. ये इस पे अगर आप सब, जिस तरह माय लॉर्ड ने कहा, ये तो एक प्रपोजल आप सब प्रपोजल बना दें, अगर एक जॉइंट बना सके उसमें कॉमन विजडम आ जाएगी, आसान हो, वो हमारे लिए बड़ा आसान हो जाएगा.
My lord, although अभी सारे unanimous ही हैं तकरीबन proposal, all the high courts and even we have
No, it will be convenient if somebody were to put it together in one document. It will be easier.
We'll do that.